So here at Clwydalyn, we really care about what you think about the services that we provide to you. We want to know what we're doing well, we want to know what we're not doing well, and we want to know what would be really important for you for us to improve and change in your home, in your street and in your neighbourhood.
Getting involved with Clwydalyn is not wasting your time. Your feedback is taken on board and it is used. Just because you don't own your home doesn't mean that you can't have the very best of services.
I chose to engage because I want to be a part of the solution. I think great communication between Clwydalyn and residents helps build trust and creates better outcomes overall. It helps things like maintenance response times, community events, health and safety improvements, and just creates a better environment for everybody.
It feels good that I'm part of a difference. You don't have to be on the board, you don't have to be on the committee. It can all be done online, it can all be done on the phone. If you've got something to say, please just share it.
You do have the opportunity to have a say and have a voice in the things that you think are really important.
Don't hesitate. You don't have to be an expert in housing to have a voice in Clwydalyn. Small ideas can create big changes.
Clwydalyn, listen and make sure you've got a voice.
And it will really make a difference for everybody.